Got some fresh green seasonings that I use to season my meat with. Got some cilantro, parsley, white onion, scallions, two green bell peppers, a whole bulb of garlic, a couple pieces of ginger, and 5 hot peppers. Go ahead and put that in the blender with a little olive oil. Depending on what kind of blender you have, you might have to stop it every now and then, but the kind that I have this piece I'm able to use inside of it. Go ahead and add the second little bunch. Get all that in there. Can't forget that olive oil. Not using any water at all. Not adding any salt or pepper, just fresh herbs. Mix that all in. While you're blending it, you don't want to blend it to where it's real liquidy. You want to have a little texture to it. Smells so good. Get that nice and blended. Every now and then I'm turning the speed up and down on it. Increasing that speed. Get all that all chopped in. Look how smooth that is. It's not watery. Nice and smooth. Real creamy-like texture. Oh, the smell coming from the aroma. Nice and well blended. You can go ahead and bottle that up. Look how creamy that is. You can see the pieces of herbs in it. Nice texture. See those speckles of hot peppers? Turned out perfect. Thanks for watching.